Welcome to Fostech's How-To series on saving money on international data and cellular costs while traveling. At Fostech.us, it is our goal to share knowledge and make people's lives easier. We hope you find today's video useful. In this video, we will cover why you might decide to travel overseas with mobile devices and potential cost impacts. We will go over our proposed alternative solution. We will step through a quick check to see if it's a good fit for you. If you choose to implement this solution, how to do it once you arrive. Don't worry, we will provide instructions for both Apple and Android devices. Before we begin, think of this video as a structured guide. You must complete the prior step before you continue. To help, we recommend you pause the video between steps and go back as needed. Mobile devices are essential for modern travel. We use them to find our way in unfamiliar locations, coordinate transportation and flights, and perform helpful services such as translation and research. If using your mobile devices in a foreign country is a new experience, the added expenses on top of your normal cell bill can be shocking and unexpected. Depending on your carrier and your plan, these additional fees can add up quickly. Don't worry though. This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide to help you reduce that cost and still enjoy all the conveniences your cell phone provides while traveling. Many travelers will consider using an eSIM to offset costs while traveling. While eSIMs are a popular solution, they aren't always the best fit for everyone. Consider trying to solve a problem with an eSIM not working when you're in a foreign country. Getting support from an eSIM provider in a different time zone. Having to buy and configure one eSIM per device. I think we may have a better and easier solution.
Before we begin, take a moment and pause this video to review the requirements for this solution. We want to make sure it's a good fit for your situation. If it is, then unpause and continue. Rather than each phone having its own costly international service, our plan will use one phone, which we refer to as the host phone, to have international service. This host phone will offer the other phones in your supported group Wi-Fi services that will allow them to receive calls and use data and apps. Take a moment to review the plan before moving on. Before we begin, let's go over briefly how the instructions are provided in this video. We will provide separate how-to steps for both Apple and Android users when the steps require multiple steps. When separate steps are provided based on phone manufacturer, the phone type is listed in the title banner of the page as shown. For consistency, we provide Apple instructions first, then Android instructions. Simply disregard instructions for the device you are not configuring. Locate and tap the settings icon on the phone you are configuring as the host phone. You can refer to the video for examples of the settings icon for each manufacturer type if needed. Once in settings, we will locate the hotspot configuration settings. Steps for both Apple and Android phones are provided on the screen. Step 3. Hotspot activation for Apple devices. Toggle the Allow Others to Join and set the hotspot password. Instructions for password complexity are provided and should be followed to inhibit uninvited users from stealing your bandwidth. Don't worry, once everything is configured, you will not have to enter that password again. Step 3. Hotspot activation for Android devices. Toggle the Use Wi-Fi hotspot to On. Next, create a hotspot name. Instructions for password complexity are provided and should be followed to inhibit uninvited users from stealing your bandwidth. Next, toggle off the Turn Off Hotspot automatically. While this will draw additional battery power, it will save you from having to turn on the hotspot each time all the users disconnect. As previously stated, once everything is configured, you will not have to enter that password again. Step 4. Configuring the client phone for Apple phones. Begin by ensuring the host phone is within 15 feet of the client phone and that the hotspot is toggled on. Put the client iPhone in airplane mode and ensure the Wi-Fi is on. Now join the hotspot configured on the host phone. Next, we will activate Wi-Fi calling. These steps are provided on the screen. Now we need to confirm it's working correctly. We will test that the iPhone can get a phone call and confirm the internet is working. To test the call portion, it's recommended if possible to use a phone other than the host phone, possibly a landline or someone else's cell phone. A correctly configured setup will receive the call. We also need to confirm the internet is working correctly. We do this by sending an email to the iPhone user. They should receive it within a minute. Once the test is completed successfully, toggle off airplane mode and rejoin your normal Wi-Fi network. Step 4. Configuring the client phone for Android phones. Begin by ensuring the host phone is within 15 feet of the client phone and that the hotspot is toggled on. Put the client iPhone in airplane mode and ensure the Wi-Fi is on. Now join the hotspot configured on the host phone. Next, we will activate Wi-Fi calling. These steps are provided on the screen. Now we need to confirm it's working correctly. We will test that the Android phone can get a phone call and confirm the internet is working. To test the call portion, it's recommended if possible to use a phone other than the host phone, possibly a landline or someone else's cell phone. A correctly configured setup will receive the call. We also need to confirm the internet is working correctly. We do this by sending an email to the Android user. They should receive it within a minute. Once the test is completed successfully, toggle off airplane mode and rejoin your normal Wi-Fi network. Step 5. Travel day. At this point, you have tested your configuration and are ready to travel. These steps will be performed once you have arrived at your international destination airport. Take the host phone out of airplane mode and then restart it. This will allow it to time sync and join the foreign carrier cell network. If after restarting your host phone, it does not join the international carrier network within a minute, another restart may be needed. Once connected to the roaming carrier network, toggle the hotspot on the host phone to on. With that completed, have each client phone restart and join, then join the host Wi-Fi. Important: it is absolutely critical that each client phone remain in airplane mode with only Wi-Fi activated until they return to their home country of departure. Failing to do this will result in that phone incurring higher international fees for that day, which is the whole point of doing this. To make this easier, we highly recommend screenshotting this step and carrying it with you so you don't forget or skip anything.
We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you liked it, please let us know. Ways you can help us include: sharing the link with others trying to solve a similar issue. Include this link in social media threads where someone else might find this information useful. And of course, please consider subscribing to our channel on YouTube. Bon voyage, and hope to see you again soon.